Dear friends, today I am going to explain you a very important aspect related to higher education teachers. National Commission for Women has invited proposals from institutes of national importance, central universities, state universities, and colleges affiliated to state government universities, etc. So, how to apply to these research projects with National Women Commission? I am going to explain you. Very simple. You can easily upload the information and get sanction and financial assistance from the National Commission for Women. This National Commission for Women is inviting proposals on very innovative and important topics. So I will tell you step by step quickly so that you people will be able to submit the proposals and get the financial assistance from the National Commission for Women. So you have to first of all go to this website called National Commission for Women and click on this e-proposal, NCW applications, and click on the e-proposal. So when you click on this e-proposal, you will be seeing all these details where they have given the last dates and all. Every year they are inviting the applications for research projects. So here it is on the down. If you can click on this research study, you will be going to this particular page. So this page will ask you for the user ID and password. You will have to create user ID and password, then only you will be able to enter into the website for uploading the documents or the research proposal along with the budget that you are going to propose. After entering your user ID and password, you will be reaching to this particular page called welcome to e-proposals. In this you have to give the user profile, your name and your organization name and bank account details and all. So after that you can upload all the documents that are to be given. So there are very simple steps in this. First and foremost thing, you need to provide the basic details of the proposal, then details of the committee members whom you are going to include. There are 3 members are to be included in the committee, and after that you need to provide the research details. In the research details, usually we prepare this introduction to research study, statement of problem, review of literature, research design, universe of the study, research setting, then sampling design and methods, sample size, sample frame, rationale of the study, tools of data collection, category of respondents with whom you are going to conduct the study, and source of data collection. Finally, you need to upload the questionnaire that you are going to collect the information, the tool of data collection. It can be interview schedule or it can be questionnaire or a focus group discussion. That is up to you what you are going to submit to the National Commission for Women for your research project. After that, step 4 is talking about the budget. Budget guidelines they have given very clearly in the website. You can check that so that you will be able to understand. Then cost estimation, what is the cost for field study, what is the cost for TA, what is the cost for the honorarium or salaries to the project staff. These are all to be provided in detail, and they have given very clear guidelines on it. You will be able to easily work out the budget and submit. Final step is declaration. When you click on this declaration, it is asking, I have carefully studied the National Commission for Women guidelines and on behalf of the organization undertake to abide by all the conditions mentioned in the guidelines. I also undertake to timely settle the accounts released to me and submit the final report as specified in the guidelines. So after accepting this, you can submit the proposal, so that the National Commission for Women will take some time to process these proposals and provide the financial assistance for research study. And this is very important and valuable opportunity to every educator who is working in higher education sector in India. Kindly grab this opportunity and improve your research domain and research skills in this particular area. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to Teja Solutions.